Hi, I'm Susan. I'm so excited to be participating in a challenge hosted by Nadia of DIY with Nadia and co-hosted by Sandra of Schwowin'S Nest. These two ladies, it'd be hard put to find two more creative, talented ladies. And I'm so excited. This month the challenge is a foodie challenge and it's watermelon. So anything we make has to do with watermelon. And I hope you'll enjoy my video. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think. So, without further ado, let's get started. For my first project, I'm making little signs for a tier tray. And I'm taking 3 of the tumbling tower blocks and gluing them on the small part of the side, and then I'm gluing that onto another tumbling tower block laying down so that it makes a little stand. And now I'm taking popsicle sticks and I'm going to make a different kind of sign with them. And I'm just going to glue them together by the sides, and then I'm just going to take a half of a popsicle stick and put it on the back to hold them all together. And now I'm taking Waverly chalk paint in mineral, and I'm going to paint all of my signs. Now, I'm not sure if anybody else gets as frustrated as I do about this, but there's so many times when I could have swear I've cut my camera on and find out when I go to cut it off that it never was on. So that's what happened after I painted these signs. I got through painting them with this mineral paint and I let them dry, and then I did a dry brushing with white and antiquing wax over that. And then I added fresh watermelons and drew little watermelons on this sign and put watermelons on my other signs. And all I can do is show it to you because I lost the footage of me painting them. Well, I didn't lose it, I didn't have my camera on. So I get aggravated with myself about that, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of what I did. I also had a basket, and I painted watermelons all around the bottom edge. I drew a stripe at the top, and then I did the 3 little dots around the top edge, and then I added a burlap lace bow to the handle. And I used these colors to paint from the acrylic paints from Apple Barrel. For this project, I just cut off a strip of foam core board. From that strip of foam core board, I made little wedges to look like watermelon. I had different ribbons I was going to use to decorate my watermelon. And I just attached them with hot glue, trying to cover up the whole piece. Once I got both watermelons covered in the red ribbon, I had some green velvet ribbon, and I used that to be the rind. I had this pearl ribbon from Dollar Tree, so I cut off a piece of it and then just split it down the center about 2 thick and used it to make that little line between the red and the green. I picked out some black buttons from my button jar, and I glued those onto my watermelons to become the watermelon seeds. And I think these turned out so cute. The camera doesn't do it justice. I decided to put a little more ribbon on the back to make it look neater. And here's my tier tray. I think it looks so cute. I love the colors together. I like my little watermelons next to my hen. I think it looks adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.